You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'm bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm talking about the Bitcoin price, and also on the 4-hour chart, I was talking about markets moving from here to the upside, but we see this little move to the downside. And also on ETH, the same thing. I was expecting market to move up to this level of resistance, but the opposite is what we're seeing right here. So what are we expecting and what should we pay attention to in the next coming days? All of these and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. BTC USDT 1-day chart. If you look at it, I talk about you looking at the market moving to the downside because we are not seeing any good momentum to the upside. If you look at this very chart, you see rejection from this very level of resistance. We have another rejection here. That means at this very level there is a very strong supply. At this very point right here, this point of resistance, there is a supply here. That means there are a lot of sellers willing to hit the market back down, and that is why we are seeing this rejection here and this very rejection as well from this level of resistance. So like I said in my last video, that you should pay attention to this very level of support, because markets can actually break out of this level. Why I am expecting the market to move into this level of support on the long term, and your expectation should be that the market should actually break this level. And when you see that breakout, which what you should be expecting is a significant bearish candle that close below every other close within this area to the downside, is going to be a nice move to the downside for this very chart on the 1 day. This is what you should be paying attention to right now on the 1 day chart. And then on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this, market is still in this range formation, and what you should do is to pay attention to market breakout of this range. So if you don't know how to trade the range, it is better you stay off the market at the moment, because the probability of market going down and going up is there. And if you want to trade, always trade from these two levels. That means you buy from support here and sell from resistance at this point. And the breakout on this very area is going to make the market to move up, and the breakout on this level of support is going to make the market to move down. Now, right now, where the market is right now on the 19,158 at this very point, I am expecting the market to come back down a little bit. Then we're going to see the market move up again. Or if we see a breakout, then that means the market is going to go down. So pay attention to market breaking out of this very level. On the 4-hour chart, ETH, the same thing. I'm expecting the market to come back into this level of support. Okay, market moving down into this level of support, then you're going to see market move up again to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now on the 4-hour chart, ETH. And don't just take trades on the ranging market, because when market is ranging like this, it is better you leave the market and expect a breakout. Once the breakout happens, then you can now take the trade in line with the market trend. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now on the 4-hour chart, BTC, and also on the 1-day chart, BTC. What do you think about the market on ETH? Do you think at this very area where the market is right now, we're going to see the market come back down and break this level and still move to the downside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.